So this is the tea made over here. This is water. Hot water is there. So this will be poured in this cup. Then this water will be poured. This is a teapot. This is a water pot. And this is just to keep on the food. And this is our today's food. This is salad. It's a cabbage with curd, I think. This is a bread. And this is very nice, very fluffy. You can see this. Very fluffy and quite tasty it is. We like it. This I found it something new over here. And this is the apricot jam. And here is the butter. Here one chili chutney, very nice and very tasty. Here is the they keep like this biscuits, sugar, and this is butter. This is again the same apricot jam, salad, biscuits. They keep biscuits also along with your food. And this is noodles for children. And this is the kitchen. See the kitchen. Now we are going to take our food.
So this noodles for kids. Then you can share that soup
Okay.
with the kids.
Saty. Oh, Saty, what is this?